Okay, so I said that number one, look for the people that need what you have. So I'm saying it like this so that others can use the same formula, because that's how it works. By the way, just in the break time, I will not give you details. I've already gotten, will I call it appointment, will I call it a job, will I call it an opening? And if I am to submit CV, I will submit CV to Jesus Christ will come. If I will submit CV to Jesus Christ will come, I will not reach that place. I will not go there. But somebody came for this meeting, and the person says, we need this guy in that place. I think I have some connections there. We will get him there. I will call him later. So I spent it to do this, to announce myself and my business. And today is just the first day. Some people are at work now, that's why they cannot come. Some of them will come tomorrow. Some of you here now, the people that you told to come that didn't come, you will drag them. I will not tell you to drag them. You'll be like, you miss. You will do everything for them to come. And only God knows, this place may be packed out. But I really don't care about the pack out. When I say I don't care, some people feel bad sometimes. Like, why do you say you don't care? It's the truth. Most of us like people that bobo you. There's no need to bobo. Successful people are very blunt, straight. They tell you the way it is. That's why you see somebody that has money, say, give me money, you will not give him money. You'll be angry all you want. Since you have been angry, have you gotten money? That's the point. Write down the people that need your services. Whether they are big, they are small, it's not your concern. Your concern is that they need it. You know that they need this digital illustrator. Write them down. Go around the town. If need be, ask your friends of friends. Post it on everywhere. Who are the people? Do you know any fashion house? That's the work now that you need to do. Do you know any fashion house? Do you know any fashion house? Do you know any fashion house? Who's into fashion? Big, small, medium, start, gather all of them. After I've gathered them, you now filter the ones that you know that they can pay at least 10K. All these things I'm doing now. I started with 200 naira. They'll give me 200. They'll give me 3,000. 3,000 was big. 500. 1.5. Meanwhile, the job I'm doing is worth 25,000. They'll give me 1.5. And I'm happy. Do you know why I was happy? After I've learned all these years, I need ground to test to be sure that what I've learned is working. So I used to beg people, can I please now, can I do this thing for you? I can do it very well. Let me do it for you now. No, that's okay, I do. Then I will not do it. They'll not give me, thank you very much, they give me 500, 1,000, I'm happy, I'll go. But I've counted that person as one of my relationships. This person now knows that I know how to do this thing. If not tell somebody else, the guy can do it too. The last time I paid him 1.5. I was not expecting 1.5. I'll go to that one, do it for that one, 1.5. It's worth more than 1.5. Before you know it, I have done it for plenty people. My name is not everywhere. Rather, I say, no, it's no, it's 10K. If it's not 10K, I'm not doing job. You go. It's not 10K, I'm not doing. It's not 10K, I'm not doing.